The flood happened in December 16 of midnight. So it's already December 17. About 12:40 in the evening, I've heard voices from outside. Help, help. So what is this? Perhaps they are drunk again. I just opened so I woke up. I opened the window. I could see heavy rainfall, and strong winds. So I immediately closed the window. Right after that, the water on the floor, I've seen it first time because it's elevated already by 3 feet. We are used to be flooded here, but the water is just here. It could not reach up to our garage. But that night, the water is so shall I say, strong to raise up, because in seconds the water is already here inside our house. But outside our house, it's more than it's about 5-6 feet. But inside our house, it's here, because when I opened the window, the water is already coming in. So meaning the water outside is really deep. So what I did, I could not save anymore our things, furnitures and other documents. So I immediately told my children to go up on the second floor. Then when we are on the second floor, now I've heard so many people shouting for help. I could no longer think of saving our things, because my priority now is our neighbors who are already on the roof of each house. So what we did is to save them first. Then suddenly, the water is on our second floor, is up to our knee. Second floor, knee deep. In fact, it's more than that. The water deep is about 15 to 20 feet. It's so. What I thought is our friends who are staying on the bungalow type houses. Perhaps they will be affected, or perhaps they will be dead right now. Because according to our neighbors who I used to talk to, their experiences are different, because we have the second floor. It's very easy for us to go on the second floor, but for them it's different. I'm touched with their stories, because it's very hard for them. They have it's good that there are high-rise, shall I say high-rise or second floor, third floor buildings here. If not, perhaps we're all dead. And the things that the reason why we put up the streamer there, because we were neglected by the local government. Because on the third day after the disaster, there was even no assistance from our local government. Our friends, our other neighbors gave us food, clothing, basic needs, water. So it's so difficult because we don't have electricity. 2 days ago, what's the date today? It's 27, 28?
28.
28, okay. Last January 26, we were now reconnected with the power lines were already activated. So I was able to ask them to have our house lighted. So I'm the first one who has the light 2 days ago, because the electrical system of our house has been checked by an electrician. And besides, there are friends who offered their generator to us. That's the reason why we have the light. Then right after I put that streamer there, I'm glad because the government has already made an action on our issues, our requests. Only a few government politicians have helped us. In fact, DSWD, one of the local agents of the local government, helped us only once. They gave us about 2 kilos of rice, 2 kind of sardines, and 3 noodles, pack of noodles. That's all. We are expecting more, but right now, no help from them.